How to use Remote Desktop on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to connect to another PC remotely in just a few steps. First, on the PC you want to connect to, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of the screen. After that, go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Let me show you. From there, click on System on the left side menu. At this point, scroll down and click on Remote Desktop. In the next step, toggle on Enable Remote Desktop to allow remote connections to that PC. From there, a confirmation pop-up will appear, and click on Confirm to enable it. At this stage, note down the PC name shown on the Remote Desktop settings page. You'll need this to connect from the other PC. Following this, now move to the PC you want to connect from and click on the Start menu. Once done, search for Remote Desktop Connection and click on it to open the app. From there, type in the PC name or IP address of the remote PC in the Computer field. Let me show you. At this stage, click on Connect to initiate the remote connection. Following this, enter the username and password of the remote PC when prompted and click on OK. Once done, a security certificate warning may appear. Click on Yes to proceed, and the remote desktop session will open. And that's it. If this guide helped you use Remote Desktop on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.